The countdown is on for the announcement of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung's next full-size foldable. We are excited to see if Samsung is able to climb back to the top of the best foldable phones list now that its rivals are producing awesome folding phones of their own. The new Galaxy Z Fold 6 is tipped to feature a wider yet thinner design as well as a new Iron Flex display panel that should be more durable. You can also expect the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, which should bring better performance and longer battery life, and all the same Galaxy AI features on the Galaxy S24 series, plus hopefully some new ones. Here is all the Galaxy Z Fold 6 rumors so far. While the Galaxy Z Fold series has come down in a price a little since the original $1,980 model, we wouldn't expect anything too dramatic this year. The technology is still expensive even with cheaper production methods, and rival tablet-style foldables like Google's Pixel Fold don't seem to be in a rush to drive MSRPs down either. Something in the $1,699 to $1,799 range seems likely. That said, there has been consistent talk of a cheaper version in the works, in the same vein as Samsung's fan edition smartphones like the Galaxy S23 FE. A theoretical Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 FE with cutback specs and no S Pen support might cut the price further. However, talk of a Galaxy Z Fold 6 FE may have been premature. A new report says Samsung is backing off plans to release the cheaper foldable this year amid concerns that it won't be thin enough or differentiated enough from the standard Z Fold 6. Instead, the cheaper model, possibly called the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, could debut next year alongside the Galaxy S25. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 release date can be discussed with a bit more confidence. The past three Galaxy Z Fold devices have all been released in August, though they may be announced a little earlier. The Galaxy Unpacked revealing the Galaxy Z Fold 5 was in late July for an August 11 release. However, there is a rumor alluding to an earlier launch to beat out the Summer Olympic Games, possibly July 10. And since Samsung allegedly starting production of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 parts early, it's looking more likely that the Galaxy Unpacked Summer 2024 event is happening in July. We are approaching the final months before the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 launch, especially if the earlier than usual release date rumor is to be believed. What we have heard up until now suggests a phone with a set of solid, if iterative, updates. Whether that's enough to get people to buy one over the soon-to-be-reduced previous generation is another matter. A lot depends on how significant the AI tricks turn out to be in everyday use and whether Samsung has some big upgrade that we are yet to hear about. A lot can change between now and July after all.